Yo, what's up, guys? This is gonna be part two of building the Ferrari F50. So you see, we started back exactly where we are, where I took out the rear suspension. So now I'm also gonna took out the front suspension. So now I'm gonna take out the rear suspension, which hopefully isn't as difficult. So. Well, it wasn't really difficult, it was just like annoying to try to get through. Oh lord, we're using different parts here. Well, I knew that, but since it's and all of the things rusted here. Okay. Alright, so we got through that. Let me just take the double shock absorber out. So I don't think I'm gonna buy new things for the car. I'm gonna try to repair these if I can. So let me know if I can do that, because that would be way better if I can. Because I don't want to accidentally not buy something. Ooh, and we're already done with that side of it. Oh, it's because it didn't have an axle. That's good. Or it probably did, I'm just forgetting. Okay. Dang, we're just about finished with it. Then I don't know what happened to that suspension arm. Let's be for real. Those are out. So let me check over here and see if I could brake blade. Table repair part. Good. Oh, hold it. Let me just sell all my parts that are not the cars. Okay, so these are all. Alright, so I'm gonna start selling from here. And yeah, I got Aston Martin stuff. Wow, that's a lot of Aston Martin stuff. Okay, I'm gonna. Ooh. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, I don't need that. Oh, that's gonna take way too long of a time. So, let's see what I could repair. Brake caliper. Oh. What? You know what? I'm not gonna do that. Hold on. We'll just get all of the suspension things and hold up, guys. I'm gonna check in with you later because I gotta do something really quickly. Alright, so I did a little bit of repairing before I got back on, so let's see. I took the engine and suspension out. So what I'm gonna do now is just put the rear housing back on, because that's not really. I don't think I need to fully restore the car. I will later, but I'm just gonna take this really bad parts off. Like, I know it looks bad. I'm just putting new parts back on, but I do have the new parts. Did I not say this? Alright. So, sorry about that. I am just gonna put it back, everything back on. So I just wanted to see everything that was on there. Oh, well, at least I got a new brake servo on there. So, and this will not take this is not gonna be too bad. So I'm just gonna put everything back on. And that is that part. And now I could go over to this part. Alright, and now we're gonna get up to the engine. Oh, well, after we get this, because I want to get the rear of the car done before I get the front of the car. Then. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna add better brakes to the car. So, and I'm gonna take, these comments over at me. Yeah, I kind of hate this camera angle, but that's cool. Okay, why do I only have one brake pad? And no necessary part. Oh, okay, so I need the bottom suspension. Hey, I'm gonna need to go there. Bottom suspension arms. Hey. Bottom suspension. Arm B, I'm an idiot. Alright, so as we get that going, we put that on. See, I am putting new parts on here. Oh, I'm adding some new parts to it. Double wishbone. Shock absorber. Tablet. Rear. Yeah. Battery foundation. Okay. And then we do need a spring, but we need a rear spring. And then we also need a shock absorber cap. Double wishbone stock rear absorber. Alright. Let's buy this one, see? No. Maybe I got the wrong spring for it. Could be that, could be it. No, that's not it. So, you know what? You know what, guys? You could tell me what's wrong with it. I'm just gonna get onto the engine. Okay, get the engine block V12. Well, actually, what engine goes into here? Not bad, but good. Dang, that's not bad power. Oh, it's over right here. Okay, ARZ. Alright, let's get into the engine. Rebuild. Create new engine. Yeah, that's it. I knew it last week. Okay. So engine block. I'm just gonna look for it in here because I'm not actually anywhere. V12. And then I'm gonna have to buy a lot of those. And then gotta get everything that is not a power mod. Oil filter, V12. Oh, no, not that. Okay, so what else is there? Ooh, oil pan V12. I think that might be needed. The timing chain. Yeah. Let's see. Alright. And then, yeah, gotta go into the performance one now. Go into engine. I'm gonna get a better alternator. And then a fuel thing. What was it called? A fuel cell or something? Oh, fuel filter. Okay. So, yeah, those don't really add much horsepower to it. Oh, I forgot I made a crankshaft. And I need power steering pump. But yeah, I do have the oil filter. So you could just put on like that. But camshaft. B-space. I don't know, crankshaft. And then power steering pump V12. I mean, it has to work. I'm just gonna try it. And then, actually, no, I'm gonna do the same thing I did today. Gonna get everything, just in case. That was gonna be a clean rebuild. Okay, so we're almost done with the first page, and part 2 is going to be posted tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna end it off here because I'm gonna be running out of time. Bye guys. And 3, 2, 1, bye.